you want to do some magic, and you want to improve your CTC Prusa i3 MK2 3D printer, coming up on Zachary 3D Prints. Hello, this is Zachary from Zachary 3D Prints, bringing you how-to, reviews and many other cool things you can do with 3D printing. If you are new to the channel and not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. I will put every social media link in the description of this video. If you want to support my channel on Patreon, please feel free to do so. I will put the links in the description of this video. Today we are going to exchange the lead screws on the CTC Prusa i3 MK2 3D printer. Why? Because the ones that are on this printer are lead screws, but not official lead screws. They are just threaded rods used as a lead screw. No problem when it is working. In my case, it didn't work out that well, because every print that I printed, it was never a big success. Also for the InMove robot, I printed something on it. It looked okay, but not as good as the results that I get from my Ender 3 Pro. You hear only the fan sound on this Ender 3 Pro, but nothing else. I will put the link of that video in the right corner. So I'm going to exchange the lead screws on the CTC Prusa i3 MK2 3D printer. These ones are, normal threaded rods. And I'm going to exchange them for official lead screws. These are T8 and has a pitch of 2 millimeters. These I ordered in one go. I thought I did, but I had to do that in 2 times because I thought I got 2 pieces, but I only got 1. So I had to wait for it, but now I have them. Also have the brass nuts that goes with it, and also because I've got some plastic couplers, I ordered also the right couplers. Everything you can buy on AliExpress, but you can also buy it on Amazon.com if you are from the States or some other places that Amazon is faster. I will put the affiliate link in the description of this video. There are some things that you need besides the material that I have here. Also some Allen keys for the Allen nuts, of course, and also some grease. I checked it. These are already a little bit greased, and in the future I'm going to grease them a little bit more. But the basic thing is that I'm going to exchange them right now. So now we are going to install the lead screws on the CTC Prusa i3 MK2 3D print and stop the chit chat. So when we are going to disassemble some of the parts, you don't have to take everything out because it's not needed. So just screw them out. First the first part, then the second part. So as you could see in the time lapse, I have no threads in these holes for the nuts. So now it's time to add these couplers. There are, on each side there are 2 screws. One for the flat part of the coupler and the other one to secure it. Let's install this one. So as you can see, the printer is already printing at this moment. Curia said that it was going to take 26 minutes, but that's a little bit hard to believe because it's already at 5% of the print. No, correction, 19% of the print. So already a fifth of the print. So a little side note, when you're going to install this, make sure that these are the old ones, but the new ones, make sure that they are clean. Also use some little M3 nuts to secure them underneath, and also make sure that they are level, because besides the little debris that I had in it, the one side was also not level, and that caused that my stepper motor had a difficult time to push it up or down. So it's running very good. At this moment I already see some big differences in comparison with the other one. The lines are much more straight, but I have to say that I don't have any fan ducts on it, so that is also one of the improvements or upgrades that I'm going to do on this CTC Prusa i3 MK2 3D printer, and also some other upgrades are going to come for this machine. As you can also hear, it's a lot more silent than before because of the upgrade that I did on the bed frame. The bed is also very nice and level, and I don't see any difficulties on this print. That being said, let's wrap up this video. When you are going to install these lead screws, make sure that you order both of them, also with the nuts that you are going to install on your gantry. Also make sure that when you're going to install them, that they are clean and without any debris, and make sure that everything is level. I also used a caliper to make sure that the distance between gantry and both sides are equal. So that was it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to Zachary 3D Prints, and I will see you next time. Let's make some fun with 3D printing. Zachary 3D Prints. Bye bye.